Oh yeah, we're back at it again. Yo, if you haven't subscribed to Logic on Steroids yet, you're missing out on it. Go ahead, hit subscribe, show some support, like the video, share it. You know what I mean? We're getting straight to the video right now. No playing. Let's go.
Are you ready?
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to a domestic disturbance where 35-year-old Stephanie allegedly rammed her car into her husband's car with the kids inside the vehicle.
Damn.
Hi.
Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah.
And then go ahead and turn off the car for me.
Why are you pulling me over?
So I'm pulling you over because you guys had an incident at the Oyo place or something like that. It's like a coffee shop. So your husband called already, okay?
Okay.
So now we're investigating, so you're officially detained, okay?
Detained for what?
That means you cannot leave while the
What?
investigation is going on.
Now look, the cop done mentioned all that to her, and she didn't deny it, and she's not outraged. It ain't me, it's you, girl.
I don't know what you're talking about, though. I'm talking to my husband. You want to talk to him?
Zulu, Golf November Tango. Were you just at the place? Where were you at before this?
What do you mean? I'm doing my things.
Where were you at before this?
I went to a coffee shop.
Okay, correct. So you're being detained means you're not free to go.
Why?
Okay, because there's an investigation going on.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so when the other officers come over here, we'll figure that out, okay?
Detained for what?
Did you not just hear what I said?
I gotta go to my mom's house. I
You're
don't know
not
what
free to go. There's an investigation going on.
Yo, what is it about women to think that they're that entitled to not listen to a cop?
You just said you were at a cop. Hey, she's trying to flee from me.
Look,
She's going towards Fire West Boulevard and West Road. She's literally just like... Therefore.
Get away from here.
Go to the kids.
Back up.
Go to the kids.
Back up.
You have kids.
Back up.
Go to the kids.
You're
Back up.
What happened?
Do you? If you don't listen and back up right now, you're both gonna go to jail. Back up.
Stop. Stay against the car.
yeah, she don't speak no English. It don't sound like it. But body language is the #1 language, is a universal language. You see him telling you, move away with his hands. So back up.
Lima 52 1097. Come over here. Come over here.
See?
Come over here. Okay. Okay. Calm down. Calm down.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going on the ground. You're hurting me.
Then stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're hurting me.
Who's got the kids?
Stop resisting.
I'm not. Mami, me duele mi brazo, mamá.
Hey, do you speak English? Yes,
This is a mother.
Let me come up here and I'll talk to you.
Doing dumb crap.
Okay, where are the kids at?
Luis and
Okay, the kids are in the house? Yes. Okay, okay. Okay. We're still working it out.
Give me your hand. Give me your...
I got it on.
Mommy! Mrs. Dowdy! Mr. Dowdy! Help me!
I got you. Let's include. I got you. You're good. You're good. You're free a sec. Free a sec.
Yo, you can only imagine what her husband has to deal with.
Oh!
All right.
Ow! Ow!
Stop resisting.
Ow! I'm not resisting.
Okay,
I'm not even
okay,
moving. You guys are hurting
so
me.
Don't pull and it won't hurt. Okay.
You're hurting my hand.
Give it a shot.
You got to do it again.
Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre, venga a nosotros tu reino, haga que tu voluntad como en la tierra como en el cielo. I don't know what's wrong.
Because somebody who knew what she just said, write it down in the comments.
Explain it to you so you know. The kid. Let me see the kids. Where are the kids at?
Can I get this here?
Are you kids okay? Yeah. Everyone's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Why don't you come out here so we don't talk in front of the kids, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here's what happened. So
Okay.
there was an incident with her and her husband. Are they having marital problems?
Yes. Divorce.
Shut the door. They're getting a
Shut the
divorce.
door.
Okay. So the husband earlier today was over off a coffee shop in McGuire.
Okay.
Okay. She had the kids in the car with her.
Okay.
Then what she did is she started ramming his car with her car, with the kids in the car.
Oh, she.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then when we found her, she fled from us with the kids in the car. So she's going to be arrested for aggravated battery.
Okay, I thought she was hitting the car that had the kids in it, but she was driving with the kids, doing that crap. And then she pulled off on the officer with the kids.
Okay, because she rammed the husband's car with her car. And she's going to be charged with child neglect because she did this with the kids in the car.
Yes,
Okay?
I understand.
So she's emotional. She wasn't thinking, but we can't let that go. Okay?
Because she's.
Okay?
Can I talk?
Let it calm down, but I'll, yes. Hey, Andy?
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah, okay. He'll speak to you.
Yo hablo
Okay?
español, so yo explico lo que está sucediendo. Básicamente.
Why is this going on right
We'll explain that to you in a second, okay?
Don't I have the right to know? Or do I
You have a right to know, and we're going to tell you, but right now we're just a minute, okay? We're
He
just.
twisted my arm, that officer right there.
Okay.
My arm is in a really, really
If
bad
you had
pain.
cooperated and stopped
I
trying to
did
get
cooperate.
up off. No, you didn't.
I did.
You didn't.
You gotta stop lying.
I've been cooperating all
If you stayed
along.
against the truck like I asked you to do, and give me your hands like I asked you to do,
I
none
just
of that
got-
would
She's like damn near the final boss of delusional.
Handled, and nobody's helping me. Everybody's like,
that was on you.
I'm not.
Hold a second.
Where am I going?
To jail.
Okay. That's the arm. That's the arm that he twisted.
Okay, we can help
She
you.
thought you were going to Chuck E. Cheese.
I'll do it on my
you have
own.
to help us.
I'll get up. I can get up on my own. I don't need your help.
You're not getting up on your own.
I promise I
Okay.
can get up on my
I
own.
gotta help you.
She's trying to run.
My arm
I'm not
hurts.
pulling on this
No,
arm.
both of my arms hurt because, like I said, they just twisted my arm. Okay,
One way or another,
they're
you
in
have to stand
pain.
up. Do your best to stand up. We're gonna guide you. Okay?
I can get up. I can get up. Let me get on my knees first.
Go ahead.
Let me get on my knees and I'll get up.
Okay. I was wrong.
All right, spread your legs.
So we go 1, 2. That's it. That's it.
The car's hot.
Oh, don't tell me she has another one in there. Oh, gosh.
Poke beads, anything sharp on you? No, ma'am. Yep. Nina, I have to check you. Okay. Check me where? I don't have wires in my bra.
Can you lean against the car?
It's hot.
Okay, I understand
you want me
that,
to burn
but
my
I'm not
belly?
gonna allow you to also face me while I'm trying to search you.
What? You have a problem with me looking at you?
Come on,
Can you face that way?
No, all that extra shit. Just.
It's hot on my belly.
Jesus.
It is. You want to try your belly?
You wouldn't be here if you would have just pulled over and stopped when you didn't have flee from me when I stopped. Okay. All right, she's good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cops. Damn. I used to think you would think I'm a criminal.
Yeah, you got kids involved.
Real criminals out there with the white Chevy Silverado. That's who you should be looking for.
Think about calling 911 now?
I don't need to call 911 for what?
Well, you said he's a criminal, so.
No, I'm saying it takes seven cops to do what? I don't even know why you guys are arresting me. Shouldn't I know? Don't I have the right to know?
No, very serious. You're being detained while we're
Then why am I handcuffed?
We're gonna explain all that to you.
Okay,
You're still being detained.
I know. Proven
If you've already
guilty. You're
resisted.
innocent till
Okay.
proven guilty.
I'm gonna read you what's called a Miranda warning.
I already know what that is.
Okay, that's fine. I'm still gonna
Actually,
read it to you
you know,
just to
yeah.
make sure you understand your rights.
Okay.
Okay?
I had a friend named Miranda once. Alright, she's still
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law.
Of course it
You have the
will.
right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. Okay. So do you want to speak with us? Answer our questions?
I don't know. Am I arrested right now or am I just
Like right now you're detained.
Okay, so when will I know if I'm free to go?
I'm waiting on the actual investigating officer, Officer Kelly, to get here. He's the one currently conducting the investigation. We're assisting him with this investigation. Do you want to speak with us, or do you request an attorney?
That's what I need to know for it. We ask questions.
I thought my Miranda's right said I have the right to not say anything, so I'll just keep silent.
Okay, that's perfect. All right, come down this way, ma'am. Come right down this way. I'm just gonna stand you by the front of my truck.
For what?
I'm moving you down this way.
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay, I'm sorry if you feel uncomfortable. That's not my intent. Officer Cruz is also with me. Our body cameras are on.
Yeah,
come down this way, okay?
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
All right, ma'am. So, just so you're aware of what's going on. There's currently 2 investigations currently occurring, okay? Officer Kelly is conducting 1 investigation regarding the incident between you and your husband, ex-husband. I don't know what you guys got going on over there with your children being present during that incident, okay? Officer Quinteros is investigating another incident. Okay. You need mine? Yeah. Okay. 3030. So Officer Quinteros is conducting the other investigation, which is following up off of his investigation, where she had probable cause to conduct an investigator stop on you and was trying to figure out what was going on. She confirmed it was you. At that point, she advised you were detained. Okay.
No, she didn't say
okay. All this is on her body camera, so that's something you can fight later on if you choose to. Okay. So currently, one of the charges you're facing, I'm not sure what Officer Kelly is working, but Officer Quinteros has fleeing and elude, a law enforcement officer, fleeing and elude, law enforcement officer, and you were resisting without violence. Well, was she violent or without? Without. Okay, so resisting without violence. Okay. Those are currently 2 charges that you are going to be getting charged with today, okay? All right, so just go ahead and walk back this way to this car.
Wait a minute. So I'm being, I just, to clarify,
yes.
I haven't had breakfast yet because my husband didn't deposit money for me.
Okay.
I'm being charged exactly for resisting.
Resisting without violence and fleeing elude. Okay.
Doesn't that makes no sense? So if I resisting without what was I resisting?
So fleeing elude was when you fled your vehicle from Officer Quinteros over here at was it Red Spruce Way?
Yeah, I told her I was on my way to do. I have things pending that I gotta.
Well, that's not how that works. Once we activate our lights and sirens and we say, "Hey, you're detained," you're not allowed to leave. You can't just decide.
Say detained.
Okay, that's fine.
This is a nut job basket case.
Asked her why we're resisting.
saying our lights and sirens. So all this stuff is going on behind you. You can't just leave because you have something to do.
So when I call the cops and I say something's going on with my child to talk about my husband, nobody does anything. But when my husband calls,
did it happen today?
It doesn't matter because you guys.
Well, I'm not aware of any situation other than what happened today.
If it didn't happen today or right now, we're not worried about it. We're worried about
women always doing that crap. They always, in the midst of them trying to get revenge in their wrongdoing, they go way back to the past, something that they didn't call police about. Something that they don't forgave the man about. You should have called police then and handled it then. It's too late now. It's void.
What happened today?
So what happened today with my husband?
Like I said, so that Officer Kelly's conducting that investigation.
That's what that's why you literally that's literally why I turned my lights on, got out the car, told you, hey, you asked me why you're being stopped, and I told you we're investigating something with your husband. Could be a domestic situation, and you were like, I'm detained for what? That's fine. No,
so at the moment we're answering the questions that you directly asked us.
And those body cameras are always on from the moment I see, or do they cut off every once in a while?
Right.
I'm just curious.
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to make sure something's clear. Okay. So I read you your Miranda rights. You advised you want to remain silent. Okay. You're asking us questions, and we're responding directly to your questions, and we're not asking any questions outside of that realm. Okay. So, because you want to remain silent, we're going to discontinue this course until you're able to get an attorney present.
I have
but that
attorney.
doesn't. Okay.
Can I call my attorney?
Not right now.
Why not?
Because we're not questioning you.
But you're detaining me though for something that I don't think actually you're right.
We're placing you under arrest.
For what?
I just advised you of that.
So where am I going to be at?
You're going to jail right now, and that's where we're going now.
Disneyland.
All Officer Quinteros. Come on.
Wait a minute. Why am I being detained?
Okay. Espérate.
Hold on.
I want you to understand that you're already being arrested. Do not make it worse on you. Do not make it worse on yourself. That way. My purse that way.
Why are you yelling? I've seen you before.
She just make something so small, turn out to be something big. Talk about why you yelling. They gotta yell at you because you ain't
She
listening.
wants to remain silent. Don't even ask for anything in the car.
Trying to get it
If she
through.
wants to speak, just let her speak. Let her ramble. Watch your head.
I don't want to go.
Come on.
Why do I have to go?
You got to go. You don't get in there willingly. We're
Go
gonna pull you.
where?
There's gonna be another charge. Okay. Come on. Get in.
Do I have, can I talk to my lawyer?
Once you get down to the jail, you'll be able to make phone calls.
I don't know her number. I need to write it
At this point, she's stalling. Just throw her in there.
down.
Do you have a cell phone that you want to go with you?
I don't have, can I write the number? Because it's happened
You have
to me
a cell
before.
phone?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay. Then no.
Can I write the number down? Because don't I get
Where do you know the number?
Huh?
Where do you know the number?
There's papers that I have in my car where I have my lawyer's
I can grab the papers if you'd like.
I can ask my mom. I don't trust
Okay,
trust
that's fine.
police
Go
officers.
ahead and get in the car then. Wait for it. Watch your head. Come on.
I don't understand why you guys
Come
are
on.
I don't
This is your last chance to get in the car willingly before we force you into the car. Okay. This is our third attempt at telling you to get in the car. And it's going to be another resisting charge. Okay.
Why am I
Okay. Go ahead and unlock the door.
Oh great.
Come on. No. Get in. Step in. Step in.
Okay.
Step in.
Thank you, ma'am. I don't have to do anything.
Appreciate your assistance.
You know, she acts like this, and she seems to get away with everything.
Well, she's not right now. I can tell you that. They just got her.
Yeah.
I think so. So she's going to jail today.
What can I do about picking up my children?
We'll work all that out.
In the end, Stephanie was charged with 4 counts of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement with lights and sirens active, resisting an officer without violence, and cruelty towards a child. Minimal court records are available, so it's unclear why, but all charges were later dropped.
Okay, check this out. I got a question for y'all. All right, as we seen, she ransacked her baby father or husband's vehicle while she had the kids in her car. Now, here's the question. Do you think that the father, the one that you just seen just now, would have done the same crap when the kids was in his car? Do you think fathers do crap like that? Write it in the comments. Okay? All right. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video. Share it. I'm out.